Hey guys, I miss you really bad, and hopefully we will be back together soon. Um, I wanted to do a little video to catch us up on our Sunday school lesson. Um, and we have been talking about Hannah and how that Hannah had prayed for a baby boy, and how that God had heard her prayer and gave her a baby boy, and she named him Samuel. And that the last time we were in Sunday school, we learned that when Samuel was a little older, but it came time for their family to go to God's house, and something special happened for Samuel. Samuel didn't go home with mommy and daddy like everybody else did. He got to stay, and he got to be Eli's helper because Eli was getting older and he needed some help. So some of the things that Eli needed help with was opening the doors of God's house for people to come in. And Samuel, he did that daily. He swept the floors. Samuel brought Eli food and drink. He came when Eli called. Samuel didn't get to go play like other kids did. He stayed at God's house and he helped Eli all the time. And in our lesson today, we're going to learn that Samuel's mommy and daddy came back to God's house for a visit. And so when they came in, and Samuel was so excited to see his mommy. And his mommy said, "Oh, Samuel, you have grown so much. Look at you." And she said, "I brought you a present." And Samuel's mommy, Hannah, had made him a new coat. And she put it on him, and she was like, "Oh, Samuel, look." And he's like, "Oh, mommy, I love my new coat. It fits so good. It's for," and then she made it big enough so that he could grow and wear it while he was growing. Well, Samuel had been there helping Eli, and Eli told Hannah that Samuel done well. He obeyed, and everybody in the town liked him, that he was obeying like he was supposed to, and he was being a very good servant. And so that takes us to our Bible verse. Our Bible verse says that in Joshua 24:15, at the very end, it says, "We will serve the Lord." And that's what Samuel did for Eli. What Samuel was doing for Eli, he was helping Eli. And what he was doing by helping Eli, he was also being a servant for the Lord. So that's our story. Um, we can sing a couple of songs, and then next week's lesson, well, yeah, next week's lesson, we change completely. We're going to learn about a woman named Mary. So, wonder what happened there. But we're going to sing two songs, and hopefully I will see you all soon. So we're going to sing the first one. We're going to sing our Little Birdie song. So you ready? Little birdie with the yellow bill hopped up on my windowsill, rubbed its shiny eyes and said, "Get out of bed, you sleepy head." Flapped his wings and away he flew, saying, "I'll see you in Sunday school." That's one of our favorites, right? So then let's do "My God is So Big." What do you think? Let's do "My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do." My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do. For the mountains are his, and the rivers are his, and the stars are his handiwork too. My God is so big, so strong and so mighty, there's nothing my God cannot do for you. All right. Well, I know that was short and sweet, but hopefully we'll be back together soon. I love you guys.